How to fix library not loaded at path/hermes.framework/hermes error in React Native. In React Native development, encountering the library not loaded at path/hermes.framework/hermes error is common. This error usually occurs when there's an issue with the Hermes engine integration within iOS projects, particularly when using Xcode and Cocoapods. We'll walk you through the steps to resolve this error. Understanding the error. The error message typically looks like this. This indicates that Xcode can't find the hermes.framework necessary for running the React Native app with the Hermes JavaScript engine. Steps to resolve the error. Step 1. Ensure Hermes is enabled in pod file. Hermes needs to be properly set up in your React Native project. Ensure that your pod file is correctly configured to include Hermes. Open your pod file and make sure you have the following settings. Step 2. Install Cocoapods. Run the following commands in the terminal to make sure your Cocoapods are updated and the dependencies are installed and linked. This command will update your pod repo and install the necessary dependencies. Step 3. Clean and rebuild. Cleaning and rebuilding the project can sometimes resolve linker issues. In Xcode, go to the product menu, then clean build folder, or press Shift plus Command plus K. After cleaning, press Command plus B to rebuild the project. Step 4. Ensure framework search paths are correct. Ensure that the framework search paths in your Xcode project settings are correctly configured to include paths to the Hermes framework. Go to your project's build settings, and search for framework search paths. Modify the paths to include $project_dir, // /node_modules /react native /react commons /hermes and $project_dir, // /node_modules /react native /third party /double conversion /. Additional troubleshooting. Invalid project cache. Sometimes, cached data in Xcode might be causing the issue. Try deleting derived data by going to /library developer Xcode /derived data and removing the folder associated with your project. Hermes not properly linked. Ensure that Hermes is properly linked within your project. Run React Native config to check if Hermes is enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the library not loaded at path/hermes.framework/hermes error and get back to developing your React Native application smoothly. We hope this guide helps you fix the issue and improves your development workflow in React Native with Hermes.